Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. In today's video, we're going to talk about the character 在, and also we're going to talk about how to use 在 to talk about positions in Chinese. Now let's have a look. First, we have several positions here. The first one is 上. 上. It means on, so you can say 上 alone, or you can also say 上面. 上面 on, 上边 on. So you can just use single character 上 to talk about on something, but sometimes people also say 上面 or 上边. They have no difference. Alright? And next one is 下 under. The same, you can say 下 alone. You can also say 下面 under, 下边 under. The same applies to 后 behind, or 后面 or 后边 the same. And then you have 外 outside, 外 so 外面 outside, 外边 outside. And then we have 右 right, so you can say 右面 you can also say 右边 Next one is 前 in front of, so 前面 in front of, 前边 in front of, 里 inside, 里面 inside, 里边 inside. 左 left, 左面 left, 左边 left. So these are some basic positions when we talk about something is somewhere, or something is on something, or something is to the left of something. Now let's have a look at this structure. A 在 B, and then position, and then 边 or 面, and they're optional. Like I said, you can use 边 or 面, but you don't have to, right? For example, 书在哪? 书在哪? Where is the book? 书在桌子上. 书在桌子上. And of course, you can say 书在桌子上面. 书在桌子上面. You can also say 书在桌子上边. 书在桌子上边. And now we have to look at this Chinese sentence. We need to analyze this sentence order in Chinese. So when we say something is somewhere, or something is on something, in English we tend to put the preposition in front of the second thing, but in Chinese we have to mention this noun first, and then we talk about the position. So literally in Chinese we would say the book is table on. The book is table on. So it's like 书在桌子上. Okay, the book is the table on. Okay, I know it's tricky for those people who speak English because it's a totally different sentence order, but as you practice more and more, you will finally get used to it. Now let's look at 3 translation exercises. The first one, your car is to the left of my car. So here we have 2 things. The thing A is your car, the thing B is my car, right? So the Chinese order should be A is B, the position, okay? A is B and then the position. So your car, 你的车 is should be 在, right? So your car is my car, 你的车在我的车. And then here we have the position of left, 左边. So the whole sentence should be 你的车在我的车左边. 你的车在我的车左边. Okay? So now let's look at the second one. The cat is under the table. 2 things. The first one, A, is the cat, and the second thing is B, the table. So the sentence order should be A 在 B position, right? So the cat, 猫 the table, 桌子 position under, 下面 right? So literally in Chinese we should say the cat is the table under. 猫在桌子下面。猫在桌子下面。Okay? Now, the last one. First thing, A. Second thing, B. A is the money, B is the wallet. And we have the position in. Still remember the Chinese sentence order? A is B position, right? So, the money, 钱 wallet, 钱包 position, 里 so, 钱在钱包里 alright? 钱在钱包里 Now let's wrap it up. When we talk about something is on another thing or under another thing, whenever there is a position mentioned, the Chinese sentence order should be different than English. And the Chinese sentence order should be something is something position. Something is something position. So we can say 你的车在我的车左边。你的车在我的车左边。猫在桌子下边。猫在桌子下边。钱在钱包里面。钱在钱包里面。So just remember, first we have to put two things together connected by 在, and then at the end we use the position. Then you will have a correct Chinese sentence. Okay guys, I have a takeaway for you today. Please translate the following sentences and leave your answers under the video. The first one, my clothes are on the table. My clothes are on the table. The second one, my computer is to the right of my phone. My computer is to the right of my phone. Next one, your car is in the garage. Your car is in the garage. Next one, the photo is on the wall. The photo is on the wall. The last one, they're outside the restaurant. They're outside the restaurant. Alright, that's all for today. If you like my video, please give me a like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with those people who are also learning Chinese. See you next time. Bye bye.